Hi, it's Jeffrey Nielsen with First Heritage Mortgage, and just wanted to get in touch with you 1 week out from settlement and congratulate you. Your new home is awaiting. It's normal the week prior to have some doubts or stress, and I just wanted to quickly make sure you know the only two things to worry about for next week is just getting your loan fully approved, which typically is issued about 3 days prior to settlement, so nothing to worry. We don't delay settlements, so don't even think about that. And then number two, your CD and closing disclosure. A lot of people want to know what's my final number, and the best way to do that is let us get that to you typically a day or 2 days in advance. Other than that, just reference my ratified numbers email. So if you have to send a wire, just use my ratified numbers until then. The closing disclosure does go out 3 days prior to settlement by law, and it's just to acknowledge that you've seen it. It is not signing up for those terms. They're going to change, so please just sign it, and then the final numbers at settlement are what really matter. So I just wanted to congratulate you on your new home to be, and I wanted to thank you for your trust in us. Have a great week.